Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos to watch offline. This is a great trick to have up your sleeve if you're ever in a situation without an internet connection, or if you want to save a video for future reference. So, let's get started. Step 1. Find the YouTube video you want to download. First things first, you need to find the YouTube video you want to download. Once you've found the video you want to save, click on it to open it. Step 2. Copy the video URL. Next, you need to copy the URL of the video. Simply highlight the URL in the address bar at the top of your browser, and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C or right-clicking and selecting Copy. Step 3. Go to a YouTube video downloader website. There are many websites that allow you to download YouTube videos. One popular option is www.y2mate.com. Simply go to this website or another one of your choosing, and paste the video URL into the search bar. Step 4. Choose your video format and quality. Once you've pasted the video URL, you'll need to choose the format and quality you want to download. Some options may include MP4, AVI, or even just an audio format like MP3. Step 5. Click Download. After you've selected your desired format and quality, simply click the Download button. The website will then start processing your video and begin the download. Step 6. Save the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, simply save the file to your desired location on your computer or mobile device. And that's it. Now you know how to easily download YouTube videos to watch offline. Just remember to only download videos that you have the right to, and be aware of any copyright laws in your area. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.